First of all, rule out using the bottom measurement. You can see this biro is not writing. All I needed is a line, a mark that will direct me to cut the base. So I will now follow that mark to give me the circle. So the next thing is to take a measurement round the bowl. Now apply your butter. Making sure it touches all parts of the pan from the inside. Then line the paper. First of all, the base. And then the side of the pan. An important thing to note here is make sure the paper is lapping on top of where you started. You shouldn't just end where you started, else the batter will pour from in between. So that is it. You can make your paper higher or lower. You can even make the paper to be the same size with your pan, depending on what you want to bake and the size of your mixture.